What's up, everybody? I'm Rob Anderson. It's New Year's Eve, and I'm on the Las Vegas Strip. I just met River, and I just met Gile, and we're going to show them a little bit of street magic. And I picked you guys because you stand out. It's it's the hair, in a good way.
Thank you.
But you also look like maybe you're a couple, and I'm hoping I was right about that. You're a couple?
Yes.
Cool. You just kind of look like you have some things in common.
Thank you.
How long you guys been dating?
8 months.
8 months? Cool. Very cool. Okay. It's a good amount of time to be together then. 8 months. It means that 8 months ago, about 8 months ago, you guys went on some first dates and got to know each other. Maybe you held hands and you learned you liked each other. I want to, obviously, I want to take you back to that early on in the relationship, holding hands with the first trick. River, could you hold one hand out towards Gile like that? We're going to hand you a card. I'd like you to hold on to the 10. We got the 10 of clubs. Gile, I would like you please to put your hand on top of that, holding hands, sir. Just put your hands on top. Great. Holding hands, just like that. I've got another card I'm going to ask you guys to hold on to in a second. I've got the hearts.
All right.
Ace of hearts would work better for you two. Celebrating your love today. 8 months of love, right? You felt some magic back then on those first dates. You're gonna feel some magic now. Tell me if you felt that.
Yes.
Yeah?
Oh my God.
Yeah. Look at that card. You've got, oh good, the hearts.
That is cool.
Very good. It's good for you guys to have the hearts.
Yeah.
I'll tell you what, I actually made a little prediction before I came out here. I made a prediction about meeting a nice couple, a compatible couple, and boy, do you guys look compatible. I think you're gonna work really good for this. I have 4 cards right here. I made a prediction on them. This is a 2-part trick. It has to do with your compatibility. You're gonna do great, trust me. I don't want you to think it's sleight of hand though.
All right.
Gile, you'll do great. I know, it's cold out here. Gile, could you hold these cards with one hand just like I have them, just cupping them? Perfect. Freeze just like that. You're holding 4 queens right now. I did something special with one. Just imagine the 4 queens right now. I'd like you to tell us out loud so we can hear you which color you imagine me removing from his hand, black or red.
Okay. Black.
Gone. Black cards are gone, leaving only the red cards right here, hearts and diamonds. Make a quick choice out of it. Do you want to keep the hearts or the diamonds, Gile?
Diamond.
Diamond. He wants a diamond. Is that a hint? Look, I made a little prediction here. No funny moves, but I actually did predict you guys would wind up on the diamond, and that's
so
why.
cool.
Thank you.
Oh my God.
Turned it face up in there for you. I actually took that out of a completely different deck of cards. That's how sure I was. Thank you.
That is cool.
I need to be compatible. I knew that I would have to bring the Queen of Diamonds, but actually wouldn't have to bring any other queens at all, actually. There was nothing else except that diamond in there the entire time.
Nice.
They're very compatible. They're very compatible. Let's do one more and then get out of here. It's chilly.
All right.
All right, grand finale. We've got a lot of happy memories the last 8 months, right? I'm sure you have. Gile, could you think, just in your mind, just think of one happy memory that you've shared with River right here. Could be anything. Don't say it out loud, just think. And I'm not going to try to guess it. When you're thinking of that happy memory, I would just like you to think approximately what time it happened to the nearest hour. Just 1 through 12, 1 through 12 o'clock. Think, okay? 3, 2, and 1 o'clock. Again, with 12 right here, I've got to read your mind and figure out what time you're thinking of. You ready? I'm kidding, that doesn't do anything. It's just nonsense. No, you looked at the clock in a certain area, kind of like a poker player gives a tell. And I believe I know about what time you're thinking of. I believe I know, actually, I can eliminate some of these cards. So I'm going to eliminate either the high or the low cards. High or low, I'm going to eliminate high. This was not 7 through 12, was it? We don't need 7 through 12. These are not important cards. You were thinking of a time that's 1 through 6. You shared a special memory with River. 1 through 6, and now he's going to do a poker face. But let's narrow this down a little more. It wasn't 1. And I'm going to commit to this now.
Okay.
I'm going to make a commitment. Out of 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6, this memory happened at 6 o'clock. We don't need these other cards, do we? 6 o'clock was the time your special memory happened, so we don't need any of these. That 6 o'clock card will be your special card. In fact, I will leave it as a souvenir for you guys today. And I'll let the camera get a shot of the card as we'll look at it. Oh, that's a good card. Yeah? Tell you what, why don't you keep that, and when you're ready, River, why don't you show Gile what that card is?
Are you serious? Yes.
Gotta say yes immediately. Yes.
Of course.
Thank you. I love you.
I love you too.